Hey everyone, welcome back to Sigma Coders, where we simplify programming one line at a time. In today's video, we are going to learn how to generate a basic QR code using Python. Let us break down the code step by step. Firstly, we import the required libraries, QR code for generating the QR code and pill image, which can help if you want to manipulate the image later. Then we create a QR object. We set version is equals to 1, which controls the size of the QR code. Error underscore correction to high using error underscore correct underscore h. So even if up to 30% of the QR code gets damaged, it's still readable. Box underscore size is equals to 10, which means each box in the QR code will be 10 pixels. And a border equals to 4, giving the QR some breathing room around the edges. Then we add the data. In this case, the URL is Google URL. We tell the QR code to make itself with the fit is equals to true option, which makes sure the dimensions are just right for the amount of data we have added. Finally, we generate the image using make underscore image, setting the fill color to black and background to white. We then save it as google.png. And just like that, you have created a functional high quality QR code in Python. If you find this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Sigma Coders. Thanks for watching and happy coding.